How to sew flat buttons. Begin by selecting a thread that matches your fabric. Thread the needle and tie a secure knot. Position the button on the fabric where you want it to be attached. Bring the needle up through the back side of the fabric. Insert the needle through one of the buttonholes, then through the corresponding hole on the opposite side of the button. Pull the thread until the knot rests against the fabric. Repeat the process, sewing back and forth through the buttonholes and the fabric. Continue sewing several times, ensuring the button is securely attached to the fabric. Keep the stitches tight, but be careful not to pull them too tight. Once you are satisfied with the button's strength, take the needle to the back side of the fabric. To secure the thread, create a loop and pass the needle through it. Tighten the knot and clip the thread. On a 4-holed button, you can either sew 2 separate sides or create an X pattern with your stitches for added stability. Well done! You've successfully sewn a flat button onto your garment. It's Robin from Sheer Fun Sewing. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I've also left some links below. Thanks again. Bye for now.